Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebuilding work using UiPath. In today's session, we are going to discuss about AI Center. So first of all, let me understand what mean by AI. So AI, artificial intelligence is a stimulation of a human intelligence which help you to mimic the action which is performed by the human. So UiPath AI Center will play a vital role in mimicking the action which is performed by the human using the AI and ML. So these are the components which is used in the AI Center, which is dashboard, dataset, data labeling, ML packages, so pipelines, ML skills, and ML logs. So these are the separate components which will be used in the AI Center, and we can go through one by one, and we can let know the what are the main feature of these particular components. Before that, let me jump back to the UiPath Cloud Services so that we can unlock our AI Center. So let me go. So our UiPath Cloud Service got loaded. So here you can see the AI Center here. So as of now, I have activated here. That's why you are able to see here. So what you have to do? So before using AI Center, you have to activate your Pro license. So let me show that. Let me click on admin. So under admin, so you just click on license. So here you can see something called as license pro trial. Before using a AI Center, you have to activate this pro license. Don't worry about these things. I have placed a description link. So how to activate our pro trial license. So once you're done with that, so just move back to the tenant. Just go here, just click on this. So here you can see all the services which is enabled. It will be shown in a blue color link, hyperlink. So if the service is not enabled, it will be shown like this, so disabled. So in your screen, it will be disabled, AI Center will be disabled. So what you have to do, you have to enable it. So once you are enabled, so you can see here in the more option, or else you can see in this particular panel itself. So once you're enabled, so it will take sometimes. So once it got enabled, just click on your AI Center. So then the dashboard will be appeared. So I have created a couple of AI fabric projects. So that's why I was able to see this particular dashboard. For you, it will be very blank. So you can create a new project. Just click on create project. Let me make it as uh, feedback analysis. Yeah, perfect. Just click on create. So we have created a project, right? So in the project, so as I shown in the OneNote, so you can see the several components here, which is nothing but dashboard, dataset, data labeling, ML packages, pipelines, ML skills, and ML logs. So here in the dashboard, we'll give an outlet view of each and everything. So which is a dataset which you have picked, and the ML packages and the pipeline. So in the dataset, so you have to upload your dataset which need to be trained. So before jump back to the data set, so let me come back to the OneNote here. So when you are going to upload your data set, so it is a classification here. So if it is a, you are going to pick a retrainable model, okay. During those times, you are going to place your data in the data set, so which is trained data and the evaluate data. So if it is a non-retrainable model, you no need to keep the data sets in your data set folder. So which means you are not going to upload your train and evaluate data. Based upon the ML skills which you are going to pick, so you are going to provide your train and evaluate data. Let's jump back here. So data labeling concepts will help you to label your items, so which is used in the name recognition models. So we can talk this bit later. So ML skill, so ML packages, so which is basically help you to opt your ML packages which you needed. So for an example, so let me click here, which is out of box packages, which help you to view all the ML packages which is published by the UiPaths. So here you can see document understanding, so image analysis and UiPath language analysis. So there are several ML packages which help you to accomplish your tasks. So for an example, so let me take UiPath language analysis. So and then so here you can see couple of things. So which is custom named entity, which help you to recognize particular mail body content. Those things you can use over here. So or else you can come back here. So here language analysis. Inside this you can see sentiment analysis, which help you to review your feedbacks. So based upon the scrapped feedbacks, the bot, the ML will help you to recognize so whether it's a positive feedback or negative feedback. So very positive. So based upon that, it will give a score and it will make the particular achievable task. So let me open this one. So you can see here in the description, this model is sourced by the Facebook research. Yeah, okay. So it will be so many things over there. So here you can see something called as non-retrainable model. So what it says, so no need to upload your trained and evaluated data over here in the data sets. So which is a predefined and trained model. You no need to retrain it once again. Let me pick some other trainable models. Let me click here once again. Let me go to the UiPath document understanding. So here you can see so many models over there. So which is Invoice India. So let's take this one. So here you can see which is trainable model. So why it is trainable model? So in India, so the invoice may be a different kind of ways, right? Different kind of formats. So if you want to train your invoice particularly, so you can keep those data and you can upload this data in the data sets folder. So you can have to place your train and then you have to place your evaluate data. So as I say here, evaluate is nothing but your test data, train and test data. So if you are using your train and test data, so you have to create a pipeline. So which is train pipeline, so and then test pipeline and then full pipeline. So the pipeline concept also will be related with the data sets, which is embodied with this. So if you are going to use your train and data sets, which is if you are picking a trainable model, then you are going to use the pipeline and the data sets. Else you will be not using it. So let me click on the pipelines. So here you can see something called as create new. So once you click on create new, you can see here full pipeline, train pipeline, evaluation pipeline. So the full pipeline is nothing but the results of the test and train. So the train pipeline, train run, which help you to test your data, which is uploaded in the data sets. So the train data. So you will be selecting your train data over here, and then you will be uploading. So let me show you here. So once you have selected the train data, so you have to select your ML skills. Once you have decided your ML skill, you have to click on that particular one. Then in choose input, so you'll be finding your data set, which is train and test data here. You have to select your particular data. Okay. So based upon the selection, you have to upload your data sets. So the ML skill will help you to create your, so not create actually, will help you to deploy your skills, ML skills, and in the available way, so that you can opt your ML skills and you can use your UiPath Studio. So here you can see, so it helps you to deploy your ML skills, which is opt by the process. So ML logs will help you to track all the logs. So what actually you are performing inside this particular AI center services. So which is inside this particular project named as feedback analysis. So it will track each and everything. So once you're uploading the data set, so it will be tracked over here, data set, data labeling, the ML skill which you opt. So each and everything will be visible here actually. So I hope you got a clear idea. So what actually AI Center works. So what are the components in the AI Center? So we can take the model sentiment analysis next session, and we can have how to work with that AI Center ML model. So how it works, what are the output we can get. So how to explore those things. So we can check on the next video. I hope you will be very clear about so how to use these things. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.